What's up, boys? Took a pretty bad loss today. Not the best trade. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it didn't look too bad, but yeah, let's just get into it. All right. So on the 4 hour time frame, we had a 50% retracement of this, right? 50% golden zone, all that good stuff. 1 hour kind of respecting this, no like massive close below this, and then 30 minute. We had an inversion at 8:30, as you can see, 30 minute IFUG. So I was very like well, I wouldn't say very. I was definitely biased, right? Um, Also had a 30 minute CISD. Um, Literally wrote in my journal. I said, beware of the 4 hour candle close. 50% retracement on the 4 hour, indicating buys. Tapped into a 30 minute order block, also indicating buys. 30 minute CISD, indicating buys. And I would like to see us disrespect this 30 minute FVG, or now is IFVG. I just didn't listen. Like, I just need to trust my bias. It's starting to get bad, but so, marked out all my stuff right around market open. We had equal lows here, London lows, some other random draws, LRL. All right, market opens. We just immediately run a bunch of stuff. Okay. Now I see multiple SMTs get put in play, and then I'm starting to see like a pretty strong reversal, and saw this 1 minute FVG, and we also had a CISD. Why this trade didn't work, I didn't realize at the time, which is very, very bad. Like, I should have realized this. But we have all this liquidity left to run. Like, there's no reason why we're not going to hit that out. It's not like it's like a 50% retracement of this entire range. It has no reason not to run that out. For me to take sells was just foolish. Like, I saw these equal lows, I saw London lows, and I got a little bit. Honestly, I think I got FOMO. Like, I thought if I didn't get this move, then there wouldn't be any other moves for me to get, which is a very bad mindset, because it doesn't matter if I get the move or not. Like, it's just all about me taking the A plus setups. Like this isn't an A plus setup, is what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying? Take the A plus setups, miss everything else. Like, that's what I just need to really lock in on and try to do. Easier said than done, but SMTs put in play. Big displacement. 1 minute inversion entered and immediately stopped out. Oh, also we had this manipulation, which this is kind of what made me feel confident about this trade. We had STDV. Standard deviation shows that we're going to hit the bottom of this LRL. Well, or this. So I was just targeting here. But, yeah, we had internal manipulation, which made me feel a lot more confident. But we ended up losing $400. It's pretty unfortunate, but like that's what I get for going against my bias. Like, I don't think that there's any buy setups, unless maybe this. I mean, maybe. I don't think that there's going to be any buy setups today because we're at all-time highs. I obviously wouldn't long from all-time highs, though, but yeah. It's very, very unfortunate. I need to be better. Obviously started writing in my journals before the start of each trading day, saying, what my bias is, why that's my bias. I need to start writing my conditions though. Like if this happens, then I'll be selling, or if this happens, I'll be buying. Like that's what I need to work on, and I need to work on identifying the correct condition. Anyways, P&L pretty horrible. Um, yeah, not a good start to the week. We basically just erased all the profits that we had last week, and we're back in a hole. But we still have the rest of this week. We're gonna get ourselves out of this hole. I know that for a fact. We're gonna get ourselves out of this. It's just a matter of following my rules. It sounds so simple, just follow your rules. But like, once you actually get into the live market and you see these setups that you're quote unquote missing, like the FOMO is just unreal. But let's see tomorrow's news. Today I had a no news Monday, but tomorrow we'll have news at 8:45, and Powell will be speaking. Gonna be careful that day because Powell can kind of mess up the market. But yeah, very unfortunate. But it's pretty much it for this video. So I'll see y'all boys tomorrow.